Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how these slim patches work. These are from Healthy Organic Shop and they are medical grade. They're also made with natural ingredients like lotus and hawthorn. So opening up the package, you're going to find 30 of these individual patches. The package says that these patches help boost the metabolism and improve blood circulation. So we're just going to unwrap an individual one and we're going to go ahead and peel the backing off of it, and there's going to be sticky that we're going to adhere to our stomach. You can see the inside of the patch there. Okay, so let's stand up and put this on our stomach. Okay, so we're just going to put the patch directly on top of the navel. And then you want to wear it for 12 hours per 24-hour period. It's not bulky at all, so it'll go unnoticed, and when you're done, you just take it off.